Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to make your PC as a headless server, and you can use your laptop screen as a PC monitor, and you can play your games from your mobile device, and you can control your PC entirely from your phone and laptop within local network and also outside of your local network. To make your PC as a headless server, you need to download first one app for Windows, that is Apollo. Go to the internet and search for Apollo streaming and go to the first GitHub page, that is classic old song, and go to the release tab and download this first link. So I have successfully downloaded the Apollo latest version. I will open the downloads tab. I will click and install. I'll click on yes, and it's easy setup. Just click on next, and Apollo will get installed on your system. So you can see Apollo has successfully installed in my system. I'll click on finish button. You can see that Apollo is successfully installed and running in my Windows. Now I'll right click on it and click on open Apollo. It will open in your browser. So I have already set up an account, so I can easily log in from here. So after opening this page, if it asks for installing any virtual driver or something, you need to install that. It will help you to run games from other devices. To check if it's working or not, I will log into my laptop and I will see if it's working or not. So this is my laptop screen. Now I'll go to the browser and search for Moonlight. You need to download Moonlight for Windows. Just search Moonlight streaming and you will get the first link here. Just click on the first link, Moonlight game streaming. Scroll down to the download section and you can find the Moonlight for PC, Mac and more. Just click on the download button and download the latest version from the GitHub page. I'll click on open. So after downloading, it will open in my laptop. And for the initial setup, you can make sure if you are on the same Wi-Fi network or not. After installing Moonlight, I will be showing you how to connect your PC and your laptop with LAN cable so that you can get the lowest latency. As if you are playing your games from Wi-Fi, you will get some latency over Wi-Fi. So after this setup, I will show you how to connect your PC and laptop using the same LAN cable. You can see the lock button and it is automatically showing this desktop here as the desktop is hosting in local network. So I just need to click on here and you can see this code right here. Now I will click on the pin section and I will click on the pin pairing and I will enter the code. So the code is 7785 and I will name it as laptop and click on send and click on OK. Now you can see here the lock icon is gone. That means you can easily click on this and you can create a virtual desktop, or you can open Steam's full screen application, or you can just clone the desktop on your laptop. So after pairing this, we need to go to the pin section and just come here, click on here, and I need to give all the permissions from here. Just make sure you give all the permissions from here. Now click on the, and your laptop has all the permission to stream this PC. Now I'll come back to my laptop and click on this button, and now we can see that my laptop is able to stream this, but you can see your streaming is not in high quality. So if I go to settings, you can see it is streaming on 720p. I need to change it to 1080p to the native laptop resolution. And to use it properly in desktop mode, you should click on this optimize mouse for remote desktop instead of games. So I'll click on this, and bitrate should be 15 mbps. And if I click on the desktop again, now it is streaming in 1080p. You can easily say, but the problem is if you are using Wi-Fi, then you get some latency over Wi-Fi. To fix that, we need to connect your laptop and your PC with the same LAN cable. Portion of your LAN cable should be inserted in your laptop and the other will be inserted in your PC. So I have connected my LAN cable in both of them. So to connect your both PC and Wi-Fi using the same LAN cable, we need to set up manual IP for that. So I'll go to the settings and I'll go to networks, and you can see this IP assignment in Ethernet is automatic. So we'll click on edit and click on manual, and we'll add IPv4, and in here we'll enter static IP, that is 192.168.50.1, and in subnet mask we'll add 255.255.255.0, and we'll save it. And for the laptop we'll do the same thing. We'll go to the settings and click on the networks, click on Ethernet, and in Ethernet we'll change it to manual, and we'll add 192.168.50. Here we'll add 2, and in subnet mask we'll add the same, that is 255.255.255.0, and we're ready to connect using LAN cable. Now I'll click on the Moonlight again, and you can see both of the computer has the same network, and we have successfully connected our PC and laptop with the same streaming network. And using LAN you can get the lowest possible latency. You will get around 10 to 15 millisecond of latency. And yeah, we are ready to go. So now we'll do the same thing for the phone. So inside your phone, search for Moonlight. I have this application in my phone and I am connected to the same Wi-Fi. So I'll now connect my PC to Wi-Fi. I'll open this and it will search for the host PCs on my local network. If it does not find that, we can click on add and manually enter the PC. Now you can see my desktop is added here. Now to pair this desktop, we need to open the Apollo again. Go to the pin pairing tab. I'll enter the pin, that is 7464. 7464. I'll name it as not by Moonlight. Click on send. I can see I got the permission to stream, but I'll not be able to control the PC properly. So I'll go to the bottom part and you can see recently added this one. I'll click on the edit button. I'll give all the permission to control my PC, and you can see that I'll be able to use the mouse and everything. But this is Moonlight, it is available on Play Store, but it does not have all the features, like advanced features it does not have. So for that reason, you can download Artemis, search for Artemis Moonlight Streaming. You will get this link, that Artemis Game Stream Client for Android. Click on it. Go to the download APK directly and click on the latest file and download it. So after downloading it, you need to do the same step that you have done with Moonlight. It has all the features of Moonlight, but also it had some extra features, so you can use this as well. So I'll pair it again. Click on the pin section. Not by what. And yep, they're ready to go. Now I'll click on the edit button again and I'll give all the permission from here. And now Artemis will be able to use all these settings from here. So this input settings, you will have the touch screen mode, multiple touch, absolute touch, but I like the trackpad option. So I'll click on the trackpad and scroll down to the audio settings, and you can see this option, play audio on PC. So you'll be able to play audio on PC also the streaming device. You can sync your clipboard also. There is a lot of option you can customize. Till now you saw how to connect your PC using Wi-Fi and LAN cable. But what happened when you were outside of your network? Like for example, if I disconnect from Wi-Fi, you can see I'm not able to access my PC. So how to fix that issue? For that reason, just go to Google Play Store and search this app, that is Tailscale. Click on Tailscale and install this app. Now open this app and do the same thing for your Windows. Just search for download Tailscale. Click on here. Download it for Windows. After downloading it, just click on open and install this. It will take some time, and after successful installation, just log in with your account and just click on the connect, so your device will get connected with this account. So now you can use the Tailscale. Log in with the same account with your PC and other devices, and your Tailscale will get connected with your system. And Tailscale will host your local network outside in the internet, and you will be able to connect with the same account with same email IDs. Now you can see two devices are connected in my network. Now if I go to Artemis, you will see that I will not be able to connect it. You can see that still it is not able to find the PC, as this IP is not visible in internet. So we need to click on the plus button and we need to go to the Tailscale, and you will find the desktop IP address. You need to enter it here, 100 point. Now if I click on OK, you will see that I am not in Wi-Fi network, I am in cellular network, and my PC is visible here and I can control my PC from here. Now if I launch any game, you can see that I am not in Wi-Fi connection. So I'll click on back and go to the advanced option. I'll click on the toggle on-screen controller. You can see now I got on-screen controller.
Are you all right? You're hurt.
Perhaps a bit.
Take this. It's Wiggenweld potion. That stuff will right you in a second.
Now I can see that I can use the on-screen controller to play games.
What happened?
And you
Poor
can
George.
stream the same
I
audio.
can't believe he... What the hell
Use
got
your
into that
phone
damn thing?
as the controller,
Attacking
or
a
you can
carriage
connect
mid-air?
any of your controller
A
with.
typical dragon would never.
Professor?
You can connect
Sir.
any of your
Where are we?
controller
I'm not
and
sure.
you can easily
But that key you discovered was clearly a port key.
control
Portkey.
your games from here.
An item
It is
enchanted to
actually
bring whoever
playing on
touches
the
it to a
PC,
specific
and you can
place.
see I'm still not connected to Wi-Fi, but it is. There is.
I'm feeling better, sir, if you'd like to look around a bit.
there is not much
I would.
latency here.
But stay close. We've no idea who created this portkey. Or why.
How far did that portkey take us?
Farther from London than the carriage travelled. We're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands.
So, those ruins. Do you
The
think...
portkey was meant to lead us there? I do. This has not been the day either of us expected. But Miriam sent that portkey to George for a reason. And I believe that she, and now George, died in pursuit of whatever it was meant to lead to. If you're sure you're all right, and wouldn't mind indulging me, I'd like to have a look around.
Absolutely, sir.
Good. Let's see if we can find a path, however faded it may be.
And you can still connect your laptop with the same network and use it from everywhere, but I am not showing this as it is pretty easy to do. So this is it for this video. I think you'll like the video. If you have any doubt, you can use the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.